What up? It's a nice day today. So I'm out here with my sister and the doggos, taking her to one of my nature spots. If I can remember how to get up there. I think I went the wrong way. Damn it. I spent most of my morning just buying stuff for my trip. Bought a new backpack. Bought some SD cards. Oh, I'm pretty much ready to go. My path didn't actually go anywhere. Oh no. It's pretty green up here. Doggos. It's a pretty good view. Everything's spiky. So there's no real agenda to today. I can't even say the word. To today. There's no real agenda to today. All I'm doing is kind of wandering around this little foresty bit. I was just wandering, thinking about stuff. I'll show you guys what I ordered for my trip. I've got a few more things to order when I get back home. I also might post that Changa video today. Who knows? It's likely that you won't see this until tomorrow. Because I've planned to go outside again tomorrow. I'll be doing a lot of more outside videos before I leave because the weather's kind of good. But I can't imagine it's going to last very long. Oh no, I just destroyed the entire cobweb. I'm so sorry. I need to look where I'm going. There's another house. Oh dude, there's a fire pit in this one. I don't know what's happened here, but tons of trees have come down. Oh, Jasper. Damn, tons of trees have all been debrooted. Wow, it's nuts. It's so crazy to see how, like, something so old can just be demolished by, I assume, bad weather. I don't think anybody's done this on purpose. Alright, we left my sister behind, so we're gonna go back and get her. We found a pool. Hello. We have returned. Pretty crazy out there. I haven't shown you guys this yet, but I've moved room. This is the first room I ever had. It's really small. It's the smallest one we've got, but I've been moved into here. And none of this is my stuff. This is all the other person that was living here. But now I'm in this room. Oh, what up, dudes? Oh, what up, dudes? We were meant to go see butterflies today, but Helena bailed on me, so we're gonna go tomorrow instead.
Not cool, dude.
Not cool. Not cool, Helena. So I'm gonna go outside on an adventure, I think.
Did you record that?
Yeah. I'm recording your nose right now. My little corner of this house is so cute. Just so everyone's aware, for some reason there's like a fan group. My sister's plant, and it's now called Cloxy. So if you ever see comments like Cloxy or anything like that, that's what it means. It's just a plant. And the same people that made that now call me Jackson. So if you ever see Jackson in the comments or in tweets and stuff, that's why. Going for just a second. I need these things. Need this thing. So because I went to this place yesterday, I feel like I've got to go somewhere epic today. Even though it's just me and Jasper. The next day I always watch back my Instagram stories. Dude, yesterday was so warm. There's a full rainbow right now, no way. This is reasons to come outside on a rainy day. Alright, ow, rocks, ow. I've been walking barefoot for like 2 years, but there's some type of rocks that just really, really hurt. Last time I was here, I took this like woodland trail. It goes nowhere. I think I was just really high. Come on, jump. So, we made it to the spot. I can see the waterfall already. It's not too far. Me too. You gotta catch this one, right? If you guys didn't mind listening to the trees there, they were just making some cool noises, wanted to record it. I found these snacks, I totally forgot I packed them. They're for him. So we've got about maybe an hour or two of daylight because the sun will be setting. It'll go under the mountain and then it'll come back out again when it gets to there. So plenty of light left. Which is dope for me because I can leave the house, I can make decisions. I can make decisions at like 3 or 4 o'clock and still get something done that day. And it's so good. In a week, the temperature's gonna be double this and the humidity is gonna be like 90% this. Pretty stoked. Oh dude, this is depressing. What the hell happened? Why? Maybe I should find new places to go because I don't like knowing what places used to look like and then going back and see what they look like now. This was an entire forest last time I was here. I don't know why they do it. This is what we're trying to get across right now. I want to get us across these rocks, but it's pretty powerful, pretty wet. I'm trying to get him across as well. We're trying to go over there. Oh no, Jasper, I'm sorry. You gotta swim, dude, come on. I went across this. You can't do it. Oh no.